Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is Crypto Elite, home to the #1 Theta community. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. And you can find me on Theta TV as well. All right, today is my monthly update for my investments in both Theta and TFUEL. As you guys know by now, or if you don't know, I stake both Theta and TFUEL. So this is my update. And before we get into that, I always do a little bit of educational content. And if you're already familiar with T-Drop, in this case, blast on over to the second half of the video, and that is where I am going to give you the update. But if you are not familiar, and if you just want some educational content, I will be going over the docs.thetatoken.org. They break down T-Drop, and I think this is great education if you're unfamiliar with this token. So getting right into it, T-Drop is the newest and latest token on the Theta blockchain. And if we just check out this description right here, the T-Drop token reward activity on the Theta Drop NFT marketplace provides decentralized governance for Theta Drop and rewards stakers with T-Drop tokens. So it's a brand new TNT20 token on the Theta blockchain, and it's centered around the groundbreaking concept of NFT liquidity mining. And this is a brand new concept, and I really do like it. So as far as most of us know and are used to, if we want to mine for a new coin or token, normally we have to do proof of work, which is running computer to solve algorithms to get some of that token, or proof of stake. And in that manner, it's kind of like earning dividends, and you get your tokens or coins over time. But the NFT liquidity mining is pretty neat. So if you go to the marketplace on Theta Drop, and if you buy any single NFT, we'll just select this one right here, you mine or you get new T-Drop by purchasing these NFTs with TFUEL. So if you were to purchase this one, then you would get 405 T-Drop, which is a pretty neat idea. And I think it is, just like this article says, it is a groundbreaking new concept, and it is very lucrative, and it does work, and it incentivizes new people to use the Theta Drop website. So T-Drop tokens are earned by users each time they make a purchase using TFUEL on Theta Drop, on the secondary marketplace at launch, and then primary market in a future update, or through third-party NFT dApps built on the NFT marketplace smart contract. So it can be thought of mining, like I kind of mentioned, which incentivizes early adopters. So if you go out there purchase like me and you do, then we will continue to earn our T-Drop. There's more information on the white paper, which I'll include in the description below. But the three main utility features at launch are VIP benefits. We'll go over some of those in a little bit. The ability to stake T-Drop, and then governance rights on proposal changes coming to the ecosystem. So if we scroll down, we can look on the Theta Drop VIP benefits next. And this is something, if we go to the Theta Drop website, all you have to do is select your profile icon, and then you can select become a VIP, and it pulls up this information right here, which has the different tiers. There's a bronze, silver, and a gold. In order to achieve this, you need 100,000 T-Drop, 1 million T-Drop, or 10 million T-Drop respectively. So for the bronze, you get just a couple, but still worthwhile benefits. So the VIP badge, airdrops, and lower withdrawal fees and higher amounts. And then the perks just continue getting better and better, with early access to NFT drops, and then exclusive access to NFT drops, as well as featuring listings in the marketplace. So definitely aspire to be gold, but even being a bronze member or bronze VIP member is very, very beneficial. And right now, at the time of this recording, the price of T-Drop is approximately 4 cents, a little over 4 cents. So in order to get 100,000 T-Drop, it'd be approximately $4,000, or a little over 4,000, if my math is correct there. So that is some of the benefits coming at you for those different VIP tiers. There's also staking of T-Drop, which can be done in the Theta wallet. So if you go to a Theta wallet, this is just a test wallet for me. All you have to do is select stakes, and then deposit stakes, and it's not a guardian node, validator node, or edge node. This one will just be T-Drop, and then you can maximize the amount of T-Drop. Right now I just have 0 in this test account, but that is how you stake it. It's really easy. It doesn't take any time to stake or unstake. It's instantaneous, which is a huge benefit. And that's pretty much what this document kind of walks us through. And then the last thing is the governance, which will come soon, but T-Drop will also serve as the governance token for Theta Drop. T-Drop holders can stake their tokens to gain voting rights for proposed changes to Theta Drop. So each user's voting rights for a given proposal will be equal to the share of staked T-Drop as a percentage of the total T-Drop stake. So the first T-Drop vote proposal on earnings rate for T-Drop for liquidity miners is expected to be voted on this quarter of 2022. Which is really cool. So if we go back to the Theta Drop website, anything you don't like or do like about this website, it's something that in the future we will be able to make proposed changes to. So I think that is really neat. And, this is something that you as an individual has a say to the future of it. So that's the main things I wanted to talk about for the educational content for this month. It's all things T-Drop, the intro to it, VIP benefits, staking, and then governance. The T-Drop earnings formula isn't quite populated yet, but in a couple days, I bet this will be populated and updated as well. So let's blast on over to my monthly earnings, and I'll bring it up right now. So as you know, from previous videos, this is the transactions I received. This is the amount of TFUEL I received over here, and I invested about $5,000 in Theta when it dropped down to $5, and I thought that was a steal of a price. Turns out, if I would have waited a little bit longer, I would have got even better of a steal of a price, but I'm still happy with it. And then TFUEL, I bought in around 35 cents, but it has continued to drop down. But those are my entry prices for both of those, both Theta and TFUEL. So for the month of January, looks like I made about 97 TFUEL throughout the entire month. And the total TFUEL earned was about 505 when you calculate everything from 2021. And it looks like I started in July of 2021, and I've made about 505 TFUEL. A lot of that has just funded future activities like purchasing NFTs, which I have been able to make money off of. So it has been beneficial to get this TFUEL. The overall Theta price at the end of the month was about $2.92, and then the price of TFUEL was about 18 cents at the end of the month. For this month of January, I made about 14 transactions. Not too bad. Definitely have made more transactions in the past, and look forward to making more transactions in the future. Actually, now that I do remember, I was gone for about 5 days on a work trip, and my computer restarted. So there was a 5 day span where my computer was down and I was not earning anything. Both of the nodes were down. So that is kind of the pros and cons of running your own node. If you're not there to kind of keep an eye on your computer, things like that happens. These restarts and updates, they do happen. They push automatically sometimes. So that is the cost of doing business by yourself. There is Gpool and other methods out there to not have to run your computer 24/7. So there's pros and cons to it. So the monthly TFUEL earned, when I take the 97 TFUEL times the price of 18 cents, was about $17.49. And the laptop energy used, I kind of went over this in a previous video, so I won't go over it too much, but taking the kilowatt hours from what my electric company charges me really isn't that much. It's very negligible, so it's about $1. It's actually slightly less than $1. And then when you factor all that together, it's about $89.96 is the total USD that I have earned from all of 2021 and January of 2022. Look forward to that number continuing to grow, but I'm happy with it for now. And then my return on asset. So once again, investing in Theta at $5,000, and it has just got slaughtered. But guys, like I say every single time, this is a long-term play. Definitely throw your spears. I know if someone else were to invest in this, they definitely would not be happy, but I am very happy with this long-term play, and the staking rewards will just continue to fund other things that I have continue to make money off of. So it has been a win-win, but I do look forward to that number becoming positive, as well as the return on asset for TFUEL. Once again, very negative, but hopefully in the future, that will once again turn around and I will see both a positive return on asset for Theta and TFUEL. So my overall return on investment is about 1%. Kind of low, but it's just with the averaging of Theta and TFUEL and when I added them together. So this number will continue to hopefully get better as the time goes on. And then the last thing I wanted to share was my APY. So yes, I know once again another lower number, but it's something that I am happy with. Long-term play, but overall 2.72%. Yes, it's less than inflation, but it has to do with the Theta staking, which is at about 2 to 3%, which is $5,000 versus the TFUEL, which is $3,500. So if you look at those weighted averages, the TFUEL is staking about 8% on average, and this is just my average that I have received so far. So do look forward to that number hopefully going up as well. But hey guys, this is it. This is my monthly return for the month of January, and I will keep you guys up to date every single month. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.